Family Constellation is a powerful, deep experiential method to find hidden dynamics behind our issues. Developed by Bert Hellinger, a German psychotherapist, Hellinger discovered that we become entangled in trauma passed down through family system that stops us from living our life fully. No amount of counseling or health intervention have worked, and symptoms can appear as illness, relationship problem, emotional issue, or financial difficulty. How does Family Constellation help you? Identify root cause of struggles. Break free of old patterns. Bring harmony and order. How does the constellation session work? Facilitator will chat with you about your issue. You will be invited to pick representatives and place within the circle. We will observe the dynamics. Together, we create a healing resolution to bring harmony and order based on principles of family constellation. What can I expect after the session? Gain new insights. Awareness, both known and unknown. Release energetic blocks. You may feel tired after the session, so rest and drink lots of water.